You ever want to come to Myrtle Beach and not get back in your car until it's the end of vacation, where everything's around you in walking distance? Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we're gonna take you on a tour of the Boardwalk and Boulevard to see the hotels that are closest to the ocean, where you won't have to get in your car to travel anywhere.
So these are places that are right at the end of the boardwalk where you can park and not have to get back in your car if you don't want to. And right around you is all kind of entertainment,
Restaurants
and excitement for you and the entire family to do right in this area.
All right, and we're coming straight off the beach at the Tin Roof, and right across from the Tin Roof is the Funplex. And we're gonna take you all the way down the boardwalk until we can't go no more, and we're gonna hop on the Boulevard.
So the top part here is part of the Tin Roof. Then you got Bandito's right up under it. And these are all places that you can get some good food, get a nice drink, all within walking distance of your hotel.
And this big one right here, right off the boardwalk, is Ocean Enclave. You can book your whole family here.
And we're still on the world famous boardwalk in Myrtle Beach. It continues on down.
Ooh, look at that nice pool. I'm sure in the summertime, this is the place you'll want to be. So right here at Ocean Enclave and the Roxanne Tower, this is where the boardwalk stops, and we're gonna go out to the Boulevard.
All right, we're back on the Boulevard here in front of Roxanne Towers.
Heated pool and spa.
Yep.
And right beside the Roxanne Towers is the Atlantica. Free Wi-Fi and a lazy river.
Still within walking distance of the boardwalk. And the Atlantica is separated by a open field where you can see the beautiful Atlantic Ocean.
And as you can tell, we're coming up on the Sand Castle, and right beside it is the Camelot. Welcome to the Sand Castle, clean rooms and smiling faces. They even have a donuts, ice cream, and coffee shop.
So the last one on our list is the Camelot here that we're gonna show, which is within walking distance to the end of the boardwalk and everything on it, where if you want to park your car and not have to get out into the traffic, you got plenty of options right around.
Nice, beautiful sidewalks where you can take in the view of Myrtle Beach. And just be careful when crossing. Make sure you cross where the crosswalks are. As we're coming back up on the other side, here's the Atlantica and Ocean Enclave. About to get into all the dining area, Funplex, and much, much more.
And Roxanne Towers.
That's right.
So here is the front on the Boulevard of the Ocean Enclave.
I believe Brian's watched too many televisions because he said Ocean 11, but this is the Ocean Enclave. And as we're coming up on that Funplex that we were telling you about, right across the street is the
all kind of activity. You got Banditos, Cantina, Legends,
which will be opening soon.
Sports Pub and Grill, and the Tin Roof, Epic Arcade.
We also have a pancake house down here, which is delicious and out of this world. It's called the Olympic. We have a video on that if you want to check it out.
There's also a Starbucks right here.
Oh yeah, because you know the kids love that Starbucks.
And in between the Riptides, which is right down the road that we're heading toward, you have the Yachtsman. That's another nice location you can hang out and stay and not have to go anywhere, but walking distance around here.
Well, all this walking is making me tired, so I think I'm going to stop off at the beach house and get a drink.
Let's take a pit stop. Also, when you're walking, you got to have good shoes, not boots.
With heels.
With heels. Just remember that. But if you come down anytime soon, Olympic Flame Pancake House and Restaurant is closed for the season, but February the 3rd, it should be open. All right, so the pit stop that we're gonna take is right here at the beach house just for 5 minutes, which is right across the street from Riptide's Oceanfront Grill and Rooftop Bar. It's a great place, which is right down from the Sky Wheel. And here's what it looks like sitting at the beach house right on the boardwalk. Beautiful view.
And as you can see also, the beach house has plenty of outdoor seating. So if you're chilly and you want to sit in that sun so you won't miss your suntan, come on out here.
While the Eagles are playing, she got the key lime colada with key lime rum cream, pineapple, and cream of coconut. And right here, I got the Nutty Monkey, which has Blue Chair Bay banana rum and Mr. Boston's amaretto. Is it good?
This sure made walking easy. Key lime colada.
All right, that was a pretty good drink. Get us back on the road. I smell something delicious. We might have to get something to eat in a minute.
Wow, if this was smell-o-vision, you'd be hungry.
How'd you like your drink?
It was delicious. I had the key lime
Colada?
I had the key lime colada. Which one did you like best?
I had the Nutty Monkey, but I like the key lime colada better. That's what I'll get next time. But while we're here, we want to show y'all the closest one to the Sky Wheel is the Holiday Pavilion, right beside Riptides. As you can see, the Sky Wheel is right here. And there's your slingshot that's currently not open.
Slinging anyone yet?
It's not slinging around.
There's lots of shopping down here, like your little beach stores, candy stores, ice cream shops.
So on this side of the Boulevard, coming up, there's the Zombie Zone.
The I Love Sugar candy store that we were telling you about. You know, the kids are gonna grab your arm and pull you in.
There's your world famous gay dolphin from the Boulevard side.
And Ripley's Haunted Adventure.
Rawr.
And on the back side is a lot of your restaurants. And there's the New York Pizza Kitchen.
Family dining.
We'll have to check that out one day.
Got you an arcade that's loaded with games.
Oh, look, they have endless selfies and mirrors as far.
So Ripley's has what?
Endless selfies, mirrors,
Endless?
and as far as the eye can see. Whoa.
Endless selfies. Sounds kind of neat.
Hey. Hey. I know what you're talking about.
Yeah, she tried to give us a tattoo. How about that? So on the end there's the world famous Peach's Corner. It's been there since the 30s. And that would be 1930s. Now right in there's Burger Paradise. Right in there. We've never really been down in that little hole, or at least since the 80s there.
We'll have to check it out.
We'll check it out one day.
I am hungry for a burger now.
You're hungry for a burger now?
Because it smells delicious.
Look at that. Oregon Beachwear. And finishing up here is Ripley's, believe it or not. Right on the corner. So all of this is within walking distance of the hotels that we were at down there on the end of the boardwalk. And I guess this concludes our
That's it.
tour.
You can take it all in, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and shop it.
Right here at the end of the boardwalk. Make sure you like and subscribe to keep up with what's going on around the beach, so you can keep beaching like Bunny B.